How to really make money online. Yes. This is an interesting topic. How do people make money online? You have been hearing people are making billions of nairas in the online space, from Facebook, from YouTube, from Instagram, from TikTok. They are making money and you are just there. You are not making money. You are watching them as they make money and you are confused that how do these people really make their money? If you are one of those persons, this video is for you, and ensure you watch to the end. Do not miss any part of this video, because as you watch the video, you should be starting your own so you can start making your own money and stop watching others as they make their money. Okay, so how do people make money online? Okay, the first thing you need to know, because we are talking about you, how you too can start making the money in the online space. So the first thing you really need to know on how you can make money online is to figure out what you can do to start making the money, because the truth is that 60% of those in the online space, they are just following the 40% that have gained knowledge of how to make money online. They are just following their footsteps. They are just doing it the way these people are doing it without getting clarity of who they are or what they need to make money from. So the first thing you need is to gain clarity of your own self, clarity of who am I, clarity of what am I good at, what are you good at, who are you, what personality are you, what skills do you possess, what knowledge do you have, what expertise, what talent do you have, what creativity do you have that you can start making money from. Because it is not just by coming to the online space and start preaching make money or start doing it the way others are doing it. You need to figure out who you are first, so you can begin to create content on that topic you have nailed down for yourself, so you can begin to create content on that values, on that knowledge, on that creativity you bring. So you must first get clarity of who you are, the values you bring, and that is why we call it your unique value proposition. What are the values you bring to the online space? What are the values you want to share to people in the online space so they can pay you for the values you bring? You can decide that the values you bring can be in a product-based value or in a knowledge-based value. In a product-based values means that you want to sell products. You want to sell something like palm oil, something like groundnut oil, something like something like jewelry, something like hair, anything product based. And you must ensure that the product based business you are going into is an hot in demand product based business. That is, people want this product you want to sell in the online space. You are not just selling it because you love it. You are selling it because you love it. It aligns with your values. It aligns with what you know it, you know your head knowledge, you know it, everything. You have knowledge of this product, and you are also selling it because it is an hot in demand. That is, people want this product. Yes, you love it, and at the same time the market wants this product. That is why you should be going for this. And if yours is in the knowledge based product, that is, you are knowledgeable as a professional, you have acquired certain knowledge that you cannot keep to yourself any longer. You need to give it out to the world, for the world to see it, and the world to value it, and the world should pay you for this knowledge you have gained, or this experience you have gained, or for the skills you have gained. That is for the knowledge based product. And you should also be going into a knowledge based product that is an hot in demand in the society. In one of my videos, you can check it out on my page, I talk on the niche that you shouldn't build your brand on, or your online brand on. There are certain knowledge that you should not go into, because this knowledge, it is not hot in demand. When you go there, it will take you time for you to get the money. So if you are going into a knowledge based business, you should be going into a knowledge based business that is hot in demand. People need this hot in demand knowledge base, like your health. People need knowledge about their health, like relationship. People need knowledge on how to have good relationship, like money making. People need knowledge on how to make money, how to save, how to invest. People need all this knowledge. Which are the 3 knowledge based business you shouldn't go to? You should go to, please, the 3 knowledge based business you should go to. So after figuring this, what you need to do in the online space, the next step is to start creating your content, which is number 2. Number 1 is clarity of what you want to do, either into product based business or the service based business. Number 2 is to start creating content around your products if you want to go into product based business, or around your knowledge if you want to go into knowledge based business. Number 3 is to choose a platform. Yes, after figuring out what you want to do, creating your content, you then need to choose a platform of where you want to start creating your content. Is it on YouTube here you want to start sharing your knowledge or selling your products, or on Facebook, or on Instagram, or on Twitter, or on TikTok? You need to figure out the platform you need to start creating your content. And the platform you should be choosing is the platform that align with your message. Like most time, if you want to go into the product based business to sell your product, you should be going for Instagram, because Instagram is more of physical business, displaying of your goods, yes, displaying of your product, displaying of what you sell. And if you want to go into the knowledge-based business, creating video content or written content, teaching others what you know, especially video content, you should be going for YouTube to create your video content, teach others what you know, or Instagram to create your video content, to also teach others what you know. So you need to choose a platform that you will be creating your content. After choosing these three things, the next thing you need to start doing is to start creating values around the product you have decided to build your brand on, or around the knowledge you have decided to build your brand on. If it is money making, just as I'm doing, fine, beautiful. You begin to create valuable content using storytelling to create your values, using storytelling to attract people, to attract audience that are in alignment with the services you want to render or with the product you want to sell. Make everything value, because clients want values, audience want values. If you are not delivering values, even if you sell products, you won't attract buyers, you won't attract anyone that want to do business with you. The online platform is all about sharing of values. If you are watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to this channel, I wonder what you are waiting for. Please like and subscribe, because that is the only help you render to me and to this channel, because I am sharing free knowledge to you. So the best you can do is to subscribe. Please kindly click on the subscription button. Okay, have you clicked? Okay, thank you. Okay, the next step after creating valuable content is to decide on the audience that need your product. That is how we make the money. Yes, audience that need your product, audience that need your services. You begin to attract them, you begin to call them through your content, you begin to call them through the values you render, and before you know it, you are already creating digital products, selling out your wares, selling out your goods, because you have attracted the audience that need your services, you have attracted the audience that need your product. Before you know it, you sell to them. So it is all about creating content. If you don't create content, you won't attract anyone that need your services or need your product. So you need to start creating content, because content is what attracts, content is what brings people, is what makes people to buy what you sell. You create content around what you sell, you create content around the knowledge you share, you create content and you attract clients and you attract people that buy your services. And the top one to attract high-paying clients is to build your personal brand. Yes, build your personal brand by sharing not just your knowledge, not just your product, but sharing your own lifestyle. I don't mean everything around you, just what you want your audience to hear, because the moment your audience starts connecting with you, starts getting feelings about you, start loving you, loving your personality, loving who you are beyond the product you sell, you attract amazing connections, you attract amazing opportunity, amazing clients who want to buy what you sell. So you need to build a personal brand that really display your values, a personal brand that really display your authenticity, the originality of who you are. Do not fake it in the online space. Show us your real self, because your clients, your audience, your community, because they want to see your original self, not fake identity of who you are. And the next one is to position yourself. If you really want to attract the audience you want, position yourself, position your product as the go-to in that niche you are into. In niche, it means in that product you are into or in that knowledge you share. Position yourself very well. And how do you position yourself? You position yourself through both your physical appearance and also the content you share. You need to look good, because if you don't look good, if you look tattered, you can't attract good clients that will pay you so well. So you need to position yourself. If it's studio photos, studio videos, you go and shoot it and position yourself so well to attract clients that will pay you in millions, in dollars. Okay, and the next one is to continuously give values, because when you give values, you begin to make your money. So that is how to make money in the online space. That is how to make money, by building your personal brand, gaining clarity of what you want to do. That is so important. Do not do it the way everyone is doing it. If it is to get a coach or a mentor to mentor you so you can have a one-on-one class with the person, you can do so. I also mentor. Follow me on my Facebook or check the comment section if you want my personal mentorship or my group mentorship. Okay, so to build on a deeper level or to gain full clarity, so you should know what you are really building on, you need a coach to guide you through this process so you can make millions, build your life and become fulfilled and happy and wealthy. Okay, kindly do well to follow me on my Facebook, my Instagram, my LinkedIn, my TikTok, Faith Miracle Irabod Madam Inspire. Okay, bye bye. Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye and like.